na negwari ayikoro ni mukuhura muhure na ningumwira ma ndigitikira andu aria tu trustite aitu tukametia besa cia guteithia mundu na tugakorwo kwina uhinga. Chris umuthi ninjaririe nake. Chris ajira, I have asked Mama Gift and ask him kama ako hapa akuja seme today Githega nimeitisha all niko na filter nyingine hapa ina nonsense no mimi sitaki ujinga. Chris akaniambia Githega nimeitisha Mama Gift 6 months inaitwa nini 6 months M-Pesa statement. Mama Gift ana dodge. Chris told me today Githega, if Mama Gift wants to crucify me, I have agreed. I told Chris, don't be sorry, but never again. I went to Facebook na nikasema, we have to agree. One, Karango is innocent. To Facebook na nikasema, we have to agree. One, Karango is innocent. That I said it in Facebook. That is what Chris told me. Githega, first we have to accept Karango is innocent. Two, until we are told Karango is not innocent, then he is innocent. Two, we have to get accountability. Is it wrong to ask for accountability? Githega doi tu Mbanya alikuja hapa kwa guest tukichangisha. Mbanya ndo anapigiangwa simu tukichangisha. MC Chris is an MC. Last time MC alikanyagwa hapa, kazi akapoteza. He has to be asking questions. And trust me, na nikaambia Chris jana, if you steal from us, I swear by God, ask Chris, nitakukanyaga ukose kichwa. Hakuna koyo nejue nithu turutaga. Ugo maruga nejue. Ugo maruga nithu tucagaga nithu. No ni nijetago. Ni Githega kero Githega ukatusagithie. Banya duetagwo. Banya, they don't call you. They know you are a propagandist. Dagutigire niki. Because of nonsense. Gikoyo. Gena one urupusi. Twali na Merupriti. Ask Merupriti why we left you. And we left you again. Nini nonsense. We have to ask questions for crying out loud. If there are mistakes, there are mistakes. Ni sawa mwana ni muruaru. Ni sawa mwana. All we agree all that. We are not crucifying anybody. We should ask questions. And I'm not apologetic. Na nikaitaralia gikoyo. Because I want it to be heard. Ate nie dire apologetic. Githega shagaga ki. Gishega onada shagaga. No ni haha. Githega netaga do girigiri. Magaikara thi. Magasagithia. Githega neikarire haha. Akihorwo. Neigata kiegei. Musago-ini ucio. Nini ndahurirwo.